In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the relative minor of A major, the F sharp minor, and specifically in this one, we'll be having a look at the harmonic minor scale, meaning that our accidentals are going to be the same as the A majors, which is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, but we're going to add the raised seventh, which is the E sharp, which in fact is enharmonically spelled as F. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. View it as much as possible, as it kind of helps the algorithm pick me up, and check the bell notification for future tutorials on piano. Let's get started. As usually, we'll be doing the one octave hand separately and together. Now we won't be using the standard fingering anymore. We'll be starting on an black key or an accidental, meaning our second finger is going to start on F sharp, and we're going to play the following: 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Coming back down. So the right hand is again that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 fingering. In the left hand, we'll be starting on our fourth finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Different fingering right and left. Take note of that, and yes, it might feel strange when we get to the top for the left hand to put over our fourth, but it's good practice because when we do the second octave, that's where we are going to continue again with the scale for the second octave or more. Doing it hands together, 2 and 4. Bit of coordination needed here in order to get this right, so take your time when you practice this one or learn it so that you use the right fingering. Moving on to 2 octaves, we'll be copying and pasting the fingers, but it will be a little bit more trickier as we now need to coordinate very closely. Starting right hand first. Fourth. I want my thumb on A. Left hand. Let's try to put this hands together very slowly and with a lot of focus for coordination. I find this one really tricky to play. Since this is part of Hanon, we'll be doing this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. quite a difficult one to play. A lot of movements that we need to take note of with the coordination. So that will be a little bit tricky, as well as keeping note of the fingering and keeping ahead of the speed, especially when you start practicing it faster. At the end of the exercise, we have a cadence. Let's go have a look at that. We're going to end at the bottom on F sharp, 2 and 4. We're going to come up with a left to B. We're going to have G sharp, D, and F sharp in the right. Now we're going to have C sharp in the left, 1 and 2, A and C sharp with F sharp. Now we're going to hop down an octave in the left. Now we're going to have F, E sharp is F, C sharp, B, and G sharp. And finally, we're going to hop back to F sharp, and we're going to have F sharp, A, C sharp, and F. Quite a big stretch there in my right hand. Sure. Good luck with this one. Take your time and don't give up. When you get frustrated, remember, get up, walk around, take your mind off it, let it sink in before you come back and try it again.